Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we will speak about the second part of the questionnaire of the IELTS official Cambridge test. This questionnaire will entail about buildings. So the question asks, are there any famous buildings in your hometown? So if you have any famous buildings in your hometown, you can explain about that. But since my hometown doesn't have any famous buildings, I'll speak about that. So the answer is my hometown doesn't necessarily have any famous buildings, but it does have a very famous temple known as Sagar Temple, which is very famous among the Shiva devotees. People from all over the country visit the temple en masse. I, along with my family, also visit the temple every Monday to seek the Almighty's blessings. Now, the second question is, in what type of building do most people in your hometown live? Now, in this question, you can say that most people in your hometown live in apartments, complexes, condominiums, or single family homes. Now, since in my hometown people live in single family homes, I'll answer the question in that manner. So, the answer is most people in my hometown live in single family homes. They are different from each other in terms of looks and size. Also, there are few apartment complexes near my hometown as well as in my hometown, and also there are some condominiums as well. Now, the third question is, should buildings be attractive to look at? Why or why not? Now, this is a subjective question. You can say that yes, all buildings should be attractive to look at as it speaks about the architecture of the city, it speaks about tradition. But you can also answer it in a different manner that all buildings should not be as good as the others as they serve different purpose. So I'll answer it in the latter manner. So the answer is, in my view, each building is unique. It serves a different purpose which is different from others. For example, historic sites should be attractive to look at as they showcase the uniqueness of the country's culture, while buildings such as warehouses can have bland looks as they're not aligned to the country's tradition and serve a completely different motive. Now, the fourth question is, describe the most unusual building you have ever seen. Now, this could be anything. This could be an old house, a house which is about to be like destroyed, or or a house which is engulfed in algae. You can talk about any unusual building, but I'll talk about the most unusual building that I have seen personally. So, the most unusual building that I've seen is the residential apartment complex known as the Atmosphere, which is located in Kolkata, India. It has about 40 floors. What makes it unique and uncanny is that it contains a residential floating sky sculpture, which is the world's first. So, this is how you should answer questions with regards to buildings. So we'll talk about the cue card. Thank you. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button